Also, just in, former President Trump files an emergency appeal in his federal election interference case. He wants the court to block last week's ruling, which said he is not immune from prosecution. The decision will determine whether Trump stands trial before the November election.